Welcome to the Banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You've placed the clip on the timeline and opened Lumetri Color. Now take the first actionable step. With the clip selected, open Effects Controls and confirm playback resolution is full or 1/2 for accuracy. Duplicate the layer to protect the original. This saves you if you overcorrect. Once done, dock the Lumetri panel so you can toggle basic correction and creative sections quickly. Make sure your program monitor is set to reference view if you need before/after comparison. Now perform the core adjustments that change the color effectively. Begin in basic correction. Fix white balance using temp and tint, then set exposure and contrast to normalize brightness. After the base, open Creative to apply a look or increase saturation. Use faded film sparingly. For precision, switch to curves and tweak Hue vs Hue or Hue vs Sat to shift specific colors without altering others. Once finished, scrub the timeline to check changes across motion and different frames. Finish by refining and preparing to export. Check scopes, vector scope for hue balance and waveform for exposure, then adjust curves or HSL secondary for selective fixes. Nest the clip and render in for smooth playback, then export using a high bitrate or 10-bit codec to preserve gradients. If you see banding, add a tiny amount of noise or export at higher bit depth. If colors look off on other devices, test on a calibrated monitor. One key tip: reset Lumetri clamp if extreme values clip highlights.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.